my friends, and welcome to Mystery Tech. If I make it through this whole video without strangling anyone, that'll be a win in my books.
I'd be careful not to cut through that too.
I will not cut through that too deeply like I maybe just did. Why is this camouflage?
What?
So there's air conditioning clothing fan 2 only.
Oh yeah!
Wait, so is this like Tacticool?
What's the worst part about living in the swamp that is Missouri?
Swamp ass.
Call me Austin Swampy Evans.
Well, what if
No, I won't.
Is this what we're doing today? Is just air conditioned pants?
Yeah.
Wait, but hang on. You won't be able to see me when I put this on.
Start Donald Ducking, my dude.
What do you mean by that? Surely there's gonna be a battery bank for this to work, right? Because these guys don't have batteries. Well, luckily you have extra pockets for a tactical battery bank.
Or you could just plug yourself into the local Starbucks.
I feel like maybe these are slightly too long,
Okay, roll them up.
Yeah.
but then people will be able to see my ankles. A couple of initial first impressions. Every time I walk, there's a little bit of a breeze. I don't know if you can see this, a bit of exposed thigh. I'm taking commando to its logical conclusion here. Anyway, wait, the fan doesn't go from like inside the pant out, right?
Yeah,
No.
it does.
Oh God.
It goes from the inside, doesn't it?
It goes from the inside.
It's not ripped, is
Where's
it?
the cable go? Oh, right.
It goes on the inside. You know where.
Where does this now go?
You have a butt pocket.
The butt pocket.
Ooh, woo, woo.
Ooh.
That's pretty loud.
My thighs feel amazing. That's low. Let's go medium.
Oh, that's low.
He's about to take off.
Yeah.
And high, the airflow, I will say, is mostly being directed thightward, which is a word I just invented. So it's basically gently sucking. Sorry.
Do not say
The
that
air
and
is
make
being-
that motion.
We're downwind of it. We're downwind of it.
Smells like Nachos Bel Grande, dude.
Why are you dancing that way?
Wait, let me get my mic up on it. You can actually hear it better. How much are my tactical thigh pants?
They were $30.
Yeah, actually.
I mean, like for pants that keep your thighs cool.
Pants? I've got no front pockets, which is a huge downside, but also I feel breezy. I feel light. Thank you to the sponsor of this video, Factor. Who has time to cook? And takeout in this economy? I'll be the first to admit that I'm not the handiest in the kitchen, but Factor takes all the work out of meal kits, literally. Factor delivers fresh, never frozen, dietitian-approved meals directly to your home. No need to fuss with sharp knives, prepping, cooking, and cleaning up. Just heat for 2 minutes and you're ready to go. As a dad with kids who are screaming and running around, I can't tell you how convenient Factor is. Meals aside, they even do snacks, beverages, breakfast, and more. Now kids might be picky, but they've got something for everyone. The flexibility is great too. I can get between 4 and 18 meals per week, and I can pause or reschedule whenever. Plus, they've got tons of options, from Calorie Smart to Protein Plus, and even vegan options. So, if you want easy, delicious meals delivered directly to your door, head to factor75.com or click the link below and use code 50Austin10 to get 50% off plus free shipping on your first Factor box. That's code 50Austin10 at factor75.com to get 50% off plus free shipping on your first box. Thank you again to Factor for keeping us all well fed. Yummy! Hi, I'm not Matt. Oh, and hello. Neck massager. Oh. Is this the episode where I have to try all the weird Temu stuff or something?
Yes.
Hold on. This is a massager that's just a necklace?
Yeah.
Exquisite and compact. Extreme performance. I don't want extreme neck performance. Is this gonna restart my heart after I've had a cardiac episode? What the hell are we doing right now? It looks like a life alert. And then I guess it just sort of sits on the back. Oh, actually it does sit quite nicely on the back of your neck. Fasten the 2 poles of the massage instrument to the neck or skin. That's gonna shock me, isn't it? Warm tip. Before using this product, it is recommended to give birth to it first.
Let's go!
I don't like anything that I'm seeing here. Well, let me plug it in and see.
Only you had a battery in your pants.
Oh, you're right.
Have you tried birthing it?
Oh, now it actually is. Ah! Yeah, it just shocks you. That's the massage. It's just a shocking thing.
But don't do it again.
I'm gonna do it again.
Don't keep hitting buttons.
I'm just pressing buttons to see what happens. I don't feel anything right now. I'll go 3. It's like it's tensing my neck. Why would people like this?
I like these things.
Brother, I'm not moving my neck. It's starting to move my neck now. Okay, I'm gonna go to 9. Now that I'm prepared for it. Ugh.
Just don't put this one next to the life alert because grandma might be in for a surprise.
Holy shit, that's terrible.
6.
You're not feeling your neck move?
No.
No, I see your face switching. You're fighting it. Okay, that's full beans. You're not feeling anything right now?
I feel stuff, but not.
Oh my God, ew. No.
Did he just lick?
He
Yes.
did just lick it.
Yikes.
Look, zoom in on this. Turn. Look at this. Yeah, you see the muscle moving?
But notice how your whole body's shaking?
Yes. Hey, y'all, what the I like this thing. This is bad. Oh, what the hell is this? There's more?
There's more.
This is the Airofit Pro 2.0. Is this like a thing to like restrict your breathing? Right? Like you bite into this, you're like. The trainer unit, the E unit, and the removable mouthpiece with an app. Oh, cool. So an app can tell me that I'm breathing like an idiot. Oh, this is a whole thing. I gotta like
That's
follow
not something you should.
instructions.
That's not something you should admit to.
I have to do a lung test. Brother! Watch this.
Look how red you're getting already. Here, I'll do mine.
No, Matt. No.
So now that we have charged, washed, downloaded, paired to our high quality lung testing machinery, let's give this thing a try. I want to breathe better.
Training, you're going to have to do a lung test.
Got it.
The lung test is important because it's going to set the baseline data.
Did they just record this on like a webcam?
No devices are found around. What? Wait. No, this was paired a minute ago. This reminds me why we don't do mystery check segments like this because this is annoying. Why is this not? How old is this device?
Yes.
Is the battery dead?
4 years old.
No, it is not. Let me, let's do whatever that other box was. Let's let this charge for like 30 minutes or something. And then if it doesn't work at that point, I will have been breathing for no reason.
Oh, jeez.
What? This was already thrown. I just
Things
thought-
might be broken because you smash them on the desk like that.
Can we get, hey, edit team, can we just get a quick little montage of all the times the box has been thrown? Recovery ThermQ. Oh, this is Therabody.
Yep.
This is instant hot and cold therapy with science-backed benefits. I will say Therabody is a pretty high-end brand, and I'm gonna guess this cost a pretty penny. Holy, this has got some heft to it. Okay, so I need to put this guy on
Apply
here.
directly to the forehead.
All right, so if I put, wait.
No.
Oh, no.
No.
Do you need help? Do you need
I
an
need the
adult?
strap master. Can you please assist me with your strap? Okay, so I got
Let
this
me
part.
get into character. Oh my God.
Thank you. Okay,
Well, I gotta turn you on now.
you know what? This is exactly what I look like when that happens. Yeah, very cold. Like,
All right, you want to heat up?
no, can you put me on
There's two
contrast?
buttons.
Give me contrast. 5 minutes in cold treatment, 5 minutes in hot treatment, and repeating once. I'll say it's pretty high quality as far as like it is actually very cold. All right, while this is running on my neck, let me see if my stupid mouth breather thing works. I think this is dead.
Okay.
I might not have my lung capacity, but we're gonna find out the old-fashioned way. So we're gonna just crank it up. What level do you think I'm gonna land at? There's
2.
2?
I think 3. I'll say 3.
Okay, let's do level 1. All right, level 2. Oh, it's gonna be hard. Level 2 is actually kind of
I think 3. I think 3. I think I might be right.
I can see mist of spit coming out of
Oh.
there.
Can you do that with the strap?
You kind of look like Jar Jar Binks, actually.
I don't think I can do 5. I can barely do 4. Also, this is getting really hot now. My safe word is help.
You could just take it out of your mouth.
Would cool thighs help you at all?
Are you feeling manly? You look like a fish. Why did you do that?
I did it! Is that in the baddest
Excuse me.
There's no one in front of you.
Next item, please. Oh, that's so kind of you. A little flower. It's an orchid.
It's a mini.
Does this mean I have to keep something alive? I'm not good at that.
Yeah, this next thing is perfect for you then.
Uh-oh. The Smart Care Ivy. It's a cute pet, and it keeps your plants alive? So is it that it just guilts you into watering it when you forget and goes, hey, forget about me?
It
Basically,
turns
just-
your plant into a Tamagotchi.
I've got to download a danged app. And we also have some plant food and some Austin food.
What?
And then this is, I guess, our water supplier. We've got this, which is a little,
It's got udders.
I don't know if that's what that is. I don't know if plants have udders. So we're gonna go ahead and just stick this bad boy in here. I will say that it is a 1-to-1 match, my dudes. Oh! Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. Let's go ahead and take a look. Okay, so pouring it in. So it does have a little tab, so you can kind of like rotate it around. So there we go.
Dang, my plant died because I couldn't find Bluetooth.
That totally seems like my excuse when this thing dies in 3 weeks. So it is adding my smart planter Ivy. It tried to add 2 other devices on some form of Bluetooth around here. Yeah, added successfully, boy! Now I'm ready to begin planting my seeds of love and wisdom.
Oh my God.
All right, so we're gonna go ahead and update.
What?
Oh, that's so cute.
So first of all, it is going to take a look at my ambient light, which currently the ambient light is 137 lux.
Feast, little guy, feast.
Yeah! No, it's right here, it's right here.
Eat, boy, eat.
10,000, 14,000, 23,000, 33,000, 39,000. The air temperature is good. Apparently it's 23 degrees Celsius in here. We've got relative humidity of 41%. You know, I'm gonna say something about this.
Why is it winking at me?
It's giving me an IP address for my plant.
I think you're missing the main features here, though.
Yeah.
Go ahead and stroke the side of that.
Oh, he likes it. Oh, hey, little buddy. He's into it. He's into it. Yeah, sensing vibrations.
It likes that. Oh, it likes that.
I want to know what freaking psycho decided, like, man, I want to be able to stroke my plant.
Oh my God. Can I ask, because I'm not actually hating this thing, this is like kind of neat. How many shekels did we spend on this particular piece of smart technology?
This retails for about $200.
What?
But it's one of those things that like goes on sale very frequently.
Yeah.
So we got it for 90.
I was gonna say it's worth it for 40 bucks. I don't know about $90 for one little plant.
Also, that doesn't include the plant.
You know what? I was down with this for a minute, but I don't think it's worth 90 bucks.
Oh, you caught it this time.
Expert in mystery teching. Inside we got, oh snap, son, the Chromatic Game Boy. This is one that has a little bit of a backstory. The short version is, the dude who came up with Oculus Rift sold it to Facebook, cashed out, turned out to become a huge arms dealer, but on the side hustle, he makes Game Boys. Not a single word I just said is incorrect in any way whatsoever. Why is there 2?
I thought you bought one.
I did not buy one. I did not buy one.
Oh, so they sent us 2.
They sent it to us?
They sent us one.
Yeah.
The idea is that this is meant to be like the ultimate Game Boy. So it plays, I think Game Boy, I think it's just, it's Game Boy and Game Boy Color. Although I know they actually sell these at GameStop. If you've ever played an original Game Boy Color, they were very bad screens. This is not only going to be pixel accurate, so it's not like the analog which like upscales and whatnot. This is literally just like exactly like a 160 by 144 display, but it actually has a lot of brightness. Oh my God. This actually looks pretty good in person. It's also smaller than I thought. Oh my God. It is unbelievably heavy, given the size.
It's cold to the touch.
Much like your love, Matt.
Wait. I definitely could beat someone with this.
I think you could. Let's take a look at the other colorway. Oh, the yellow. It has a Game Boy Advanced link cable. We do have a headphone jack as well as a USB-C. And then you have the Mod Retro Tetris cart. So I will immediately say, you can definitely tell that it is the original screen resolution. So there's no like upscaling or anything like that, but it is bright.
Dun, 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 dun.
Oh no. I think we're gonna be next on the hit list.
Marathon, Ultra, Sprint, Endless. Oh, jeez. What's easy though?
Oh my God. Oh my God.
What?
Oh my
Why
God.
did you do that?
You know it's not stacking the blocks, right? You're supposed to eliminate color and color. It's like Bejeweled.
Wait, how have you not gotten any lines?
He hasn't got any lines.
I'm not good at this game. I was playing Game Boy the whole time. Okay, anyway, that's great, that's great. Let's go ahead and turn this off now.
You can literally save a piece for when you need it later. Forget it.
You can save a piece. You don't have to use the pieces when they give them
You
to
can
you.
hold it, yeah.
I also
Forget
did not know that.
I didn't know that either. I actually don't have to ask the price on it because I know it's like relatively reasonable, right? Isn't it like $100 or something?
No, it is
No?
200 retail.
Yeah. The analog pocket.
Well, okay, but hang on. I will say I do generally like the Analog Pocket quite a lot. The downside is that even though it's been out for a couple of years, it's still kind of hard to find in stock sometimes. I think that the analog pocket's $220.
220.
Like I would spend the extra $20 for a pocket.
This does come with a game though. And I will say, this is built better. In fact, actually, I have an analog pocket. I can compare them real quick. So I definitely like the fact that the Chromatic is a little bit smaller. The big difference, though, is that this will play so many more games. And while I like the screen on the Chromatic, it's definitely brighter than what you get on the Pocket. I think I'd still rather go with the analog Pocket, though, if it's me. Or building a modded Game Boy myself. I mean, I guess if you're walking into your local GameStop and you want to play a Game Boy game, then this is your only option, so.
My biggest takeaway from this is that GameStop is selling consoles. Do you know that the reason Austin wears his watch on the right-hand side?
That's not true.
why?
Is that is a sign of being a furry.
It's yo.
Yeah.
No.